In this video, we'll be replacing the relay on this 2007 Mazda CX-9. It's going to be the same process for the first generation from 2007 to 2015. It's going to be located underneath your hood in your engine compartment next to your battery. So inside your engine compartment, you'll find your battery. On the fender side, between your battery and the fender, you'll see two boxes. The outside box here is going to house most of your relays. The inside box is going to house most of your fuses. There will be a couple of small relays in there, but the relay that we're looking for is going to be in this box. So there's a clip here. We're going to push that clip in and pull up. There will also be the same clip on the back side, right between the box and your firewall. Very hard to get to, but if you can get in there and push that clip by hand, you can take that cover right up and off. Set that aside. So the relay we're going to replace is going to be one of these two here, but we're going to use this one as an example. So what we have here is a long pair of right-angled bent needle nose pliers. I'm just going to lightly grab that and rock it back and forth and pull straight up. You don't want to crush it. Now to install your relay, you'll notice that you have matching slots inside where the relay sits that correspond with the tabs on your relay. You're going to make sure you're oriented in the right position. It'll only go in one way. Once you find that position, go ahead and press down until it won't go any further. What I like to do is give it a little press down in each corner. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and put our cover back on. Now the easiest thing to do here is set back your rear cover latch and press in your forward cover latch. That's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.